Think about what motivates you and drives you to succeed. Look back at the experiences you have had over the years and try to identify which topics really engage and spark your enthusiasm. This is the first part of the journey towards choosing the right college degree for you. Think through all of this carefully. It's an important decision. When researching colleges and universities, it is important to look into all the elements that make up the school. Some things to consider may include the courses offered, the professors, and the overall atmosphere of the campus. Taking a more in-depth look at each school can be beneficial as it will help you determine which environment is best for you, as this choice will ultimately shape your future. College takes a large commitment of both time and money. Before you choose, assess all the financial elements such as tuition fees, room and board, and any potential student loans. Paying for college is an investment in your future. Make sure it's one that will pay off. Think about what you want to achieve professionally. Research the job opportunities opened up by the courses you are considering. See if there are internships or work placements available. This will give you an early insight into your chosen field and boost your employability. Taking time to consider all these questions now can help get your career off to a great start. Take the time to visit the campuses if you are in a position to do so. Experience the atmosphere, talk to current students, and attend a class to get a real feel for whether it is the right place for you. Seeing and experiencing things firsthand can help give you an understanding of what kind of institution it is and what makes it special to its students. Now that you've done your research and seen the campuses in person, it's time to make your decision official by submitting an application. This process is an exciting one as you get closer to making your dreams a reality. Exploring and understanding scholarships, grants, and other forms of financial aid is important in planning for the cost of college. Knowing ahead of time what you'll need to pay can help you manage your finances and reduce stress while you focus on your studies. Choosing the right college and degree for you is the start of a journey toward new experiences and knowledge. These are the building blocks that will shape your future, so embrace this phase and get ready for an exciting new beginning.